English. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Semret, super excited to have you back. So today I'm super excited to show you guys another video with my mom. She's gonna make hilbet, which is another dish that is sort of like a traditional in Eritrea. So that's what she's doing. I just got back from the gym and I wanted to share that with you guys, and the whole process I'm gonna share that with you guys because I don't know how to do it. So this is all new to me as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to hit thumbs up, like, and subscribe and share. And so without further ado, let's get into this video. So انتي شجرتي Okay, شجرتي already لكبزي and حلبت كأ إزي مالت واو انتي مثل كمزي ناي انجرا تقبرلو كم مسيل أتيلتي so شجرتي صارا شجرتي خميدرة زيت كرك خد صبحي أخذ قبل مجمرة مش سلسي ده حراي تحلبت كن قبل Do you hear that? Do you guys hear that? I'm so ready for hilbet. So we're gonna eat. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, and so I'm gonna have her just do it. And yeah, I'm really excited. This is really cool. I know a lot of you wanted to see my mom more on this channel, so I'm gonna, bring her here and there, whatever new things that I have seen. I want to bring her to share with you guys what I'm learning from her. So لا كم يجر كاتفوت حج أخم داخله. Oh yeah. بمشين تجرنا يبلا شر. مش على تناي سما أنا قبل له. أب مشين جير كله. Oh okay. I see. Look at that. Yum. Very nice. We're about to have this yummy food. Wow, look at it. Easy. Protein. بمتى ما تسأل كم تناي شوري بالونغا. So protein. It's protein. Protein is it? Lagoon. Eh? Balonga. Very nice. Presentation. كتصبغ. My mom is all done hilbet with Diana, and excited because we're about to eat, and it is beautiful. It looks beautiful. It looks delicious. So let me just show you guys what it looks like first. Let's see. So much. I am the luckiest girl on the planet. Comes gear كنت حالفني that's okay حجي يخي من كبال عود خلص حالفني. Doesn't this look so freaking amazing? I got some Christmas, it's almost Christmas, so we got our Christmas decoration. I need to finish this tree. It needs something is missing. Anyways, that's beside the point. We're gonna eat. Are you guys ready? I'm excited. We are about to eat. Sorry. Okay. So by the way, my mom made this injera. I'm gonna eat while the table smells. Okay. Okay. كمل لينا. Shiro is my favorite. مجمرة شرو تفوتو. إذا كنت أنت فوتيو. تايز بعد كم زي. طعنا خايط من مسل. سلام تاجين كم قعدنا علنا قعدت. All right, guys. Do you see this? Wow. I don't know what's. يا أخلاني. تا بربر مراري already. So let's أب عندنا حلبت. كن ديك زي أخذت برعو. كم زي شرون برعو دو سبي برعو ولا كم زي أو دعم. أو so special دخانة نجاري كم زي.
سام كوعد كخا. سام قاعد أمر معها.
عرب النايت تحركين كاتب العزي.
أو دعم. سام كاتوعد كعب صلاة حجي.
أوه.
كم زي أجر كاتب لا.
So ندحر let's say أو دعم تاي كوننت أو ما يكوننت ولا عتقله. Is it texture? The texture is like very how do I describe it? Like a whipped cream. That's what tastes like. comes in whipped cream. Like cake صراحة له كم شوكولا وديبلو. مباركم يتعم. Like it's very soft and it's like the spicy added. It's so good, you guys. So next time you go to visit your friend, if you're like, or ask your mom, or you go to a restaurant, maybe if you go to Eritrean restaurant, maybe try it next time if you want to experience it, especially if you are non-Eritrean watching this video right now. It's called hilbet, and it's made from balonga means bean, like the what kind of beans? I don't know what kind of beans, but I'm gonna put a picture of what kind of beans you use. So they grind it. This is what it looks like. And then you basically dip. So good, Latia Mali. She makes everything at home. Her injera, tabahi, kullu ba'al khayr here. When she first moved, she was like, I bought her injera, and she was like, I want to make my own injera. Why are you buying injera? So we like had to create stuff. She struggled a little bit. كبير كنا injera صار خلهم من جمرة. حجي قلنا كيو. أباي أمريكا injera. كنت عملتي معرف. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I know I'm bringing my mom into this my YouTube because why not? I want to share every aspect of my life, but I also want to document my experience with my mom living together in America with us. And I'm creating memory for myself and for my daughter. So this is also for me, not just for you guys. So thank you very much. Latia, thank you for watching video.
Thank you
for watching.
Good
job. How much having I'm best at the jigna 3 وقت اللي خمس يا تقرينيات English ده. ليه بعد تخلصك فخلصك. Thank you. كله بقى English كي إلى حجي. Everything. She's like كم تمعبد بلكي English تفيق كله sorry. English yes, لا كنت هذا. Anyways, on that note, we want to say thank you for watching again. See you guys in the next video, and we're about to finish this food. Bye for now. See you guys later. Bye. Bye, William. Bye, William. Bye.
Bye.
I'll be goodbye, William. There's some okay.
Bye, Naomi.